In this video, we will 19 side effects of keto pills you should never ignore for perfect ketosis. So let's start now. Are keto pills safe? The internet is bombarded with information about the safety of keto pills. Some claim that it accelerates the process of forming ketones without following a proper keto diet. However, keto pills cannot be said unsafe. However, we can say they potentially carry some side effects or other special effects which might cause some issues in the health of people novice to body ketosis. Keto pills are safe, but some side effects are associated with them, which can be avoided by following some tips from experts. What are those? Let's find out. Side effects of keto pills. Here are some side effects of keto pills that a novice or newbie keto eater can follow. 1. Keto flu. Just like influenza, you might undergo the same symptoms, like headaches and fatigue during keto flu. It happens because your body is enduring ketosis. Ketosis means your brain's primary source of energy has switched from carbs because now you are consuming a low-carbohydrate diet. However, this side effect goes away within 1 or 2 weeks once your brain and body get used to the ketogenic process. 2. Mood swings. Mostly down. Serotonin is an enzyme found in the body, developed using the intake of carbohydrates. It helps you keep happy and your mood uplifted. However, when the carb intake gets low, you seem to face the side effects of keto pills, including a down mood or sadness out of nowhere. But still, there is a way out. If you're not getting enough mood-supporting nutrients, try consuming high-quality protein. This means, along with taking keto pills, you must also go with healthy eating. 3. Diarrhea. Diarrhea caused by keto pills may increase your bathroom expeditions more than usual. It happens because keto pills are LCHF, meaning you take more protein than usual. It is not easy to ingest too much protein at the start. Therefore, you might end up getting watery stools. With this, you might have 3, 4, or even more liquid bowel movements in a day. To fix such keto diet pill side effects, you are advised to take a little break from the ketosis and hinder your keto pills intake for a bit until your stomach gets all right. 4. Keto breath. A bit yucky. After your body enters ketosis, you start experiencing side effects of keto pills, including a strange smell erupting from your mouth, just like an old decayed nail polish remover. It happens because when you eat keto tablets, byproduct acetone is formed during the process, which is the same chemical found in nail polish remover. You cannot call keto breath a bad breath that occurs due to bacterial development in the mouth but a slightly strange smell, and to find a solution to this, you can reach mint gums, etc.